is temperature zones. So based on the intensity of the sunlight, the earth is divided into three different zones. That is torrid zone, temperate zone and the frigid zone. Means the amount of the sunlight received by different parts of the earth is divided into three different zones. So what are those three different zones? See, the first is torrid zone, as I told you. Second is this temperate zone. Third is this frigid zone. So torrid zone, this zone is also known as equatorial zone and the tropical zone of the earth. Second is temperate zone, this and this temperate zone, and third is frigid zone, and frigid zone is also known as polar zone. So first we will discuss about torrid zone. See, this is 0-degree equator. Equator is any imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal hemispheres, that is the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere, into two equal halves, exactly two equal halves. So this is the equator. So the places which lies, listen carefully, the places which lies between equator and, if we go to from equator to north side, 23.5-degree Tropic of Capricorn, that comes under the torrid zone. Again, if we look from equator to the southern side, the places between 0-degree equator and 23.5 degrees south, that is Tropic of Capricorn. This area lies under the torrid zone. Second is temperate zone. The area which lies between between Tropic of Cancer, 23.5-degree Tropic of Cancer, to the north, 66.5-degree Arctic Circle. This area lies under the temperate zone. And next is, if you look from equator to southern side, between 23.5 degrees south, Tropic of Cancer, and 66.5 degree Antarctic Circle, this comes under the temperate zone. Now look at the poles. From 66.5 degree Arctic Circle to the 90 degree north, that is North Frigid Zone. And if you look from 66.5 degree Antarctic Circle to 90 degree S, that is South Pole, that is Frigid Zone. See, one more important fact is that from equator to north, if you go from equator to north, this Tropic of Cancer and equator, this area lies under the North Torrid Zone, and between equator to Tropic of Cancer, this is South Torrid Zone. Again, Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle, North Temperate Zone. Between Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle, this is South Temperate Zone. Between Arctic Circle to North Pole, North Frigid Zone, and between Antarctic Circle to South Pole, this is South Frigid Zone. So this maybe thing is clear to you. Because of the intensity of the sunlight, Earth is divided into three different zones. Now comes the basic point, that what exactly this torrid, temperate and frigid means. So first we will discuss about torrid. Torrid means heat. Torrid means very, very heat, very hot. So as I discussed earlier, that the places which is on the equator and near the equator, means between equator and Tropic of Cancer to the north, equator and Tropic of Capricorn to the south, this whole areas receives direct rays of the sunlight. Here the sun rays are very stronger, that's why they are very hot zones of the earth. Okay, that's why they come under the torrid zone, means hot zone. So the climate in this particular area will be hot, dry and humid. Okay, next comes to Tropic of Cancer between Arctic Circle to the north and Tropic of Capricorn and between Antarctic Circle to the south. They comes under the temperate zone. Temperate, neither too hot nor too cold. They will be cooler places as compared to the places situated on the equator and near the equator, right? Because they receive slanting rays of the sunlight. Okay. Next come to the frigid. Frigid means freeze. Very, very cold, cool. Okay, colder places. So the places which are between Arctic Circle and North Pole and Antarctic Circle and South Pole in south. So they come under the frigid. Frigid means cool. The places here are cooler. Means they are covered with snow and ice. Why so? Because they receive very less amount of sunlight. Okay, means very slanting rays of the sunlight. So torrid means heat zone, very hot zone of the earth. Okay, and the climate will which type of climate prevails in this particular zone? Hot, dry and humid. So temperate means moderate, means the places here are having cool climate, are cooler as compared to the torrid zone. So frigid means cold zone of the earth. Okay, so cold zone of the earth, and the climate that will prevail in this particular area will be cooler. They will the places will cover the places here you will see that they are covered with snow and ice. So these are three different zones of the earth: torrid, temperate and the frigid zone.